Welcome back. I'm Marr, author of over 20 best-selling books on future trends, including the new book, AI Strategy: Unleash the Power of Artificial Intelligence in Your Business. Did you know that a shocking 80% of AI projects fail to deliver real value? That's according to research from Harvard Business School. With the significant investments businesses are making in AI today, that's simply not good enough. So why do so many AI initiatives crash and burn? And more importantly, how can your organization be part of the successful 20%? The first reason for failure is simple: misalignment with business goals. Too many companies adopt AI because it's trendy, not because it solves a specific business problem. It's like buying an expensive sports car when what you really need is a delivery van. The technology might be impressive, but if it doesn't serve your purpose, it is useless. The second common pitfall is measuring the wrong things. Companies obsess over technical metrics like model accuracy or precision, but completely forget to track whether the AI is actually improving business outcomes. It's similar to measuring how sophisticated your oven is rather than whether customers enjoy the food it produces. Third, many organizations lack a culture of ongoing assessment and improvement. They implement AI, check a box, and never look back to see if it's still performing as intended. In the rapidly evolving world of AI, that's a recipe for failure. So how do you position yourself for success? First, always start with clear business objectives. Ask, what specific problem are we trying to solve? How will solving it impact our bottom line? This ensures your AI actually delivers a purpose. Second, establish meaningful metrics that go beyond technical performance. Business impact metrics like revenue growth, cost savings, and ROI tell you whether your AI is actually delivering value. Operational efficiency metrics show you process improvements, and customer experience metrics reveal whether your AI is enhancing customer satisfaction. Finally, build a culture of regular assessment and iterative improvement. AI isn't set it and forget it technology. Continuous evaluation allows you to track performance over time, make the necessary adjustments, and stay responsive to evolving business needs. By following these principles, you can beat the odds and ensure your AI initiative delivers real, measurable value to your business. For more strategies on delivering success with AI, check out my new book, AI Strategy. I'm Marr. Thanks for watching.